Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to FASTCABLING. Today in this video, we are diving into the world of serial sensors and how to monitor them over long distances. Specifically, how to extend their range beyond 500 meters using network cables. Now, whether you're dealing with environmental monitoring, industrial automation, or any other application requiring serial communication, understanding how to cover these long distances is crucial. So stick around because we'll be introducing two effective solutions that can help you do just that. And if you're planning to set up your own long distances serial sensor monitoring system and need a little help, we are offering free tech consultation to assist you every step of the way. So just drop us a message and one of our tech experts will get back to you ASAP. So take advantage of this offer and make your setup a breeze. So first thing first, why is it so important to monitor serial sensors over long distances? Well, in many industrial and commercial settings, sensors are often spread out across large areas. These sensors collect vital data, whether it's temperature, pressure, humidity, or other critical parameters that need to be monitored continuously. But here's the challenge. The further away the sensors are, the harder it becomes to maintain a stable and reliable connection. So this is where our two solutions come into play and helping you to extend the range of your serial sensors using network cable effectively. So the first solution is using a long-range PoE switch, and the second solution involves a 300 meters PoE Extension Kit. Now, both methods are designed to help you overcome the typical distance limitations associated with serial communication, and we'll go over how each solution works, their unique advantages, and walk you through the installation process. But before we dive into the solutions, let's first talk about the distance challenges. Now, traditional serial communication method like RS-232 or 485 struggle over long distances. And you may think of daisy chaining multiple PoE extenders, but that introduces signal degradation and increases the complexity of your setup. So the problem isn't just about the signal weakening over a distance, it's also about maintaining a stable, interference-free connection. And network cables, particularly when paired with the right equipment, offer a reliable way to bridge these gaps. So how do we connect these serial sensors to our network for long-distance monitoring? This is where a serial server comes in. A serial server converts the data from your serial sensors into a format that can be transmitted over a network cable. Essentially, it allows your serial devices to communicate over an Ethernet network, which is much more efficient for long distances. However, even with network cables, that's a catch. Standard Ethernet cables are limited to 100 meters, that's 328 feet for data transmission. So if you're looking to monitor sensors over 500 meters, you need a solution that can extend this range. So this brings us to our first solution. So now let's kick off with a long-range PoE switch. Now this device is a game changer because it extends the typical 100 meters Ethernet limits to up to 500 meters continuous run with the PoE extender. Now sometimes even more. And how does it work? The switch provides the signal and power over the network cable, allowing you to connect your serial sensors at distances well beyond the standard limit. And one of the key advantages of using a long-range PoE switch is its simplicity, since it's plug and play. Plus, it is a cost-effective solution, as it leverages the existing infrastructure with minimal additional hardware, and it supplies 30 watts maximum output power at the same time. So now on to our second solution, the 300 meters PoE Extension Kit. Now this kit consists of a pair of PoE extenders that work together to achieve a continuous cable run of up to 300 meters between them. Now you place one extender at each end of your setup, and voila, you've got a long-range connection. And what's really cool about this kit is its rugged IP67 design, making it perfect for outdoor installations, where weather resistance is a must. And whether it's rain, dust, or extreme temperatures, this kit has you covered. So now that we've covered the two solutions, let's talk installation. And we'll start with our long-range PoE switch. As you can see, everything are in position. So let's begin. I already run an Ethernet cable from our computer, and let's connect it with our long-range PoE switch. And then I'm going to connect this 500 meters Ethernet cable. Now we have a 200 meters and 300 meters Ethernet cable combined together. So total, I have 500 meters. And let's connect it to our PoE extender. It's pretty simple to use. All we need to do is plug in to the input port. Always remember to fasten your neck and the gland tightly. And for the output port, I'm going to connect another Ethernet cable and mount it on a DIN rail. So now I'm getting both power and data from our PoE extender and to this PoE splitter. Now the use of this PoE splitter is split the PoE into data and power. As you can see, I already connected an Ethernet cable from the data output port. I'm going to connect it to our serial server, so you can convert the serial data into Ethernet and send it back to the PoE extender. And the other side, we have the power. The power cable is coming out to this junction box. So we're actually using the PoE switch to power up everything on this side. The junction box is going to power up our serial server. The light is on, and the other cable is already connected to our serial sensor. So everything is all set here. It's pretty clean and neat because all the power and data has been transmitted through this 500 meters Ethernet cable. So everything is done. Now we are going to check out the data. Let's add our device. And we have COM number 2. Let's go to COM number 2, open serial, go to the real-time data, and let's update it. So here we go. Now we can see the temperature and humidity sensor is working perfectly fine using our solution 1. So now on to the second method. For the 300 meters PoE extension kit, the steps are similar, but with a few differences. As you can see, I already changed everything. We're going to use this WebSmart PoE switch, and we have a 300 meters Ethernet cable in between, and you are able to use 100 meters from the PoE switch to the first extender, 300 meters here, and also another 100 meters from the extender to your PoE splitter. So total, you still get up to 500 meters. So now let's begin. Again, we are going to connect the computer with our WebSmart PoE switch. And then we are going to connect the switch to our first extender. Let's use an Ethernet cable here and to our first extender. Now, here is what's crucial. For our first extender, instead of putting it into the input port, we are going to plug it into the output port. So this is kind of a trick. And this is a special mounting tool, allows you to mount it on the DIN rail flexibly. First, I'm going to put the waterproof gland, and then the rubber wrap around our Ethernet cable. Stuck it in. so we can ensure IP67 waterproof rating. And make sure you use the included wrench to fasten the neck and the gland tightly so nothing can get in. And remember, plug it into the output port instead. And let's mount it back on the DIN rail. And we're going to plug in the 300 meters Ethernet cable to the input port. So you can see a 300 meters continuous run, and you can also even bury the PoE extender underground. So there's nothing else would be in between. And over this side, we're going to plug it into the input port. So we have input facing input. It's pretty simple. Plug it in. Mount it back on our mounting bracket. Use the Ethernet cable to connect to the output port of our PoE extender. And the rest of our setup is exactly the same. Connected it to a PoE splitter, split it up to data and power. As you can see, it's already powering up our converter and our serial sensor. And the data is going back through this 300 meters Ethernet cable and our PoE Extension Kit. So once everything is set up, it is time to monitor the data. Now this software will provide real-time monitoring of your serial sensors. So let's hit search and search for our serial server. Here we go. We have COM number 2. Select COM 2, open serial. Go to real-time data. Let's hit update, and you'll be able to see live data stream, set alarm, and even log data for later analyze. So this software is essential for ensuring your sensors are functioning correctly. And there you have it. Whether you're using a long-range PoE switch or 300 meters PoE extension kits, these solutions will help you monitor your serial sensors over 500 meters with ease. And remember, the key is choosing the right method for your specific needs and environment. Now, thank you very much for joining us at Fast Cabling. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more tech insights and how-tos. And I'll see you in our next video.